How have the Geneva Conventions saved lives? Have you ever wondered how a set of treaties can make such a difference in the lives of people during war? The Geneva Conventions are a key part of international humanitarian law. They lay down rules aimed at protecting those who are not fighting in armed conflicts. This includes civilians, medical staff, and aid workers. These treaties work to limit suffering and maintain human dignity during war. They set clear standards that prohibit actions like murder, torture, and cruel treatment. For instance, the Fourth Geneva Convention specifically protects civilians in conflict zones. It ensures they are safe from violence and have access to medical care. This is especially important for vulnerable groups like children and expectant mothers. The conventions also protect hospitals and medical staff. This means that wounded individuals can receive treatment without fear of being attacked. By creating these legal obligations, the Geneva Conventions encourage parties in conflict to respect human life. This can help prevent unnecessary deaths and injuries. Humanitarian organizations, like the International Committee of the Red Cross, relying on these conventions to operate in war zones. They can deliver aid across front lines and help reunite families separated by conflict. This access is vital for saving lives and easing suffering. Moreover, the Geneva Conventions help hold violators accountable. They establish that actions like attacking civilians or denying aid are considered war crimes. This legal framework aims to deter such abuses and promote respect for the laws of war. However, enforcing these laws can be challenging in many situations. When the Geneva Conventions are respected, they can prevent entire communities from collapsing. They reduce indiscriminate violence and allow essential services, like medical care, to continue. They also protect humanitarian workers, although there have been increasing attacks against them in recent years. In essence, the Geneva Conventions save lives by limiting the means of warfare. They protect civilians and vulnerable groups, ensure access to medical care, and promote accountability for violations. These protections reminded us that, even in times of war, there are limits to suffering that must be respected to uphold our shared humanity.